Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessie Lee, a wellness coach specializing in weight loss, body sculpting, and holistic health management. Although the most popular videos on my YouTube channel so far are about facial massage. But today I want to clarify a very important truth. How much can facial care really change your face? My answer is about 10%. So where does the other 90% come from? That's exactly what I'm going to explain today. When we want to improve our facial appearance, what do we do? We usually start with face itself. We will use some high-end skincare products, facial yoga, facial massages, or even aesthetic procedures. Among all those methods, surgery is the fastest, while the rest require time and consistency. But many people try one thing after another. Sometimes they see results. Sometimes the effect disappears. Sometimes it even rebounds like a yo-yo. Why? Because we tend to treat the symptoms, not the system. We forgot that the body is a complete whole, inseparable, and deeply interconnected. Not only that, we are mind-body-spirit system. When one part is neglected, the face inevitably suffers. From my coaching experience, over 80% of weight issues stem from mental factors. Over 70% of anxiety and depression related to spiritual imbalance. And over 90% of facial concerns come from poor overall health. For example, as we age, collagen declines. Even if we supplement collagen, it is digested into amino acid first. Only when we have the very strong metabolism and reconstruction system can those nutrients be used to rebuild collagen in the skin. Otherwise, no matter how much you consume, minimal effect you will have. Another case is rapid weight loss. It can lead to facial sagging or hollowness. It's very hard to gain fat back to the face because fat tends to return to the belly first, not on the face. And one more crucial factor is emotions shape your face. I've seen clients who are easily irritated, stressed, or angry. One emotional breakdown can literally erase months of facial efforts. So, where does the 90% truly come from? The answer is holistic health. First is nutrition. We need to stay away from processed, high sugar, high sodium, high fat foods. Otherwise, we need to focus on natural anti-inflammatory foods to reset your body's balance and purification ability. Second is exercise. After age 30, muscle mass drops very quickly, 3% to 8% every decade. After 60, it will reach up to 10% muscle loss. It's shocking, isn't it? For women, the loss is often more significant. So we need to think about our body is like an engine. Muscles and bones are mechanical parts. Food is like a fuel. Even with premium fuel, rusty parts cannot run efficiently. In this video, I demonstrated some simple exercises which can help you tone and train your face muscles. If you haven't watched it, you can click here. Third is mental and spiritual health. A calm heart lifts the face, a chaotic mind sinks it. People often ask me, can I just train my facial muscles? The truth is yes, but most facial muscles are small and attached to skin. Facial yoga alone cannot dramatically enlarge or lift them as we train the body muscles. But when you strengthen core muscles, back muscles, and neck muscles, the face becomes naturally lifted and well-defined. That's because muscles and fascia are connected as one system. A stronger neck can form a sharper jawline, better posture, and circulation can brighter and tighter your face. When the body becomes toned, the face also transforms automatically. And staying healthy is not just about the body, it's also about mind and spirit. If the body is a precision engine, exercise maintains every component. Nutrition is like high quality fuel, and the mind and spirit is operating system. If the system is chaotic, nothing will run smoothly, no matter what fuel you add. When the mind is calm and stable, your entire life engine runs powerfully and beautifully. In my 21-day Natural Glow program, 95% of the course focuses on facial training techniques, and the crucial 5% teaches you how nutrition, movement, and mindset work together to create real, lasting results. The course link is in the comment section. You're welcome to join and experience it for yourself. And one last reminder, exercise is essential for facial sculpting, wrinkle reduction, and skin rejuvenation. In the program, I include a special lesson explaining which body muscles directly influence the facial firmness, and also how to use natural ingredients to nourish and protect the skin, and simple but powerful home body methods that boost the facial results. And we are currently running a limited time promotion. And those who completed the first round have already seen remarkable transformations. More defined contour, a fuller and lifted look, radiant skin, and stronger confidence. If you're ready to see a visible difference in yourself, there is no better time than now. Click the link in the comment to join. In the next video, I will share more of my clients' questions and real results to help you become healthier, more radiant, and more confident step by step. I'll see you in the next video.